Yo, what's up? Another day for your boy Kuya A. Featuring Chippy. 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 Ito si Piggy. 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 Okay, let's go.
Hey, Ron.
Okay, let's go. Manya ako, punta Makati. Go! Hey! Okay guys, ito dideliver natin ngayon pa Makati. Mga uniform yan. Gusto nyo magpagawa ng uniform, PM lang. Yeah! Go! Wala ng traffic guys, nasa probinsya na sila lahat. Tama yan, paso muna kayo guys para hindi traffic dito sa Manila.
Paano masabi?
On trip. Ata muna ako guys. I guess you heard, I guess you know. Sana I told you, but I guess I'm too slow. So romantic, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. This cannot be happening real. You were there, you were everything I never saw. You woke me up from this song, and endlessly I was alone. And I opened my eyes, you were there. Beyond, no, don't be concerned. I won't change things, even just as they were. I mean, nothing's really different. It's me who feels strange. I'm always on small words when someone mentions your name. I know that I'll get over this for sure. Not the time to change everyone. You were there, and you were everything I never see. You woke me up from this song, and then I see. Open my eyes and you were there, and I'd see your smile with me. Unleaded po, 500. 500, unleaded. Fuck, 89 per liter na ngayon. 89 per liter. Saan naabot ang 500 mo? 500 dati. Mga nasa 9 liters to 10. Ngayon, 5.6 na lang. The fuck, man?
Paano kumaig malapalisain kung tanda kung usapang mano kalakoy panabong kaya paborito ni ako ang dami na nanakot sa sulahan.
Okay guys, dito na mi. Nag-unload lang ako ng ating i-deliver. Okay. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
So yun guys, tapos na tayo mag-deliver. Top serve. Gonna go home. Makapag-video masyadong mainit. Yeah. Peace out, yo.
Nung ako ay 30, mukha kong 30. Nangangarap lang ako na tumira doon sa gilid ng estero sa Ayala, Alabang.